अमरीकी नायब सदर JD वैंस ने ईरान से मुज़ाकरात में अब तक की पेशरफ्त पर इत्मीनान का इजहार कर दिया है। उन्होंने यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ जॉर्जिया में तकरीब से खिताब में बावर कराया कि ईरान से जंग बंदी बरकरार है। पाकिस्तान में होने वाली बातचीत में अगरचे काफ़ी पेशरफ्त हुई थी, लेकिन मुआहदा नहीं हो सका। सदर ट्रंप ऐसा जामे मुआहदा चाहते हैं जिससे मसाइल हल हों। ये तय है कि ईरान के पास जौहरी हथियार नहीं होने चाहिए और इस वक्त हम उसी बात को यकीनी बनाने के लिए मुज़ाकरात कर रहे हैं। सदर ट्रंप चाहते हैं कि अगर ईरान एक नॉर्मल मुल्क की तरह रवैया अख्तियार करे तो हम भी उसे इक़्तिसादी तौर पर वैसे ही ट्रीट करने के लिए तैयार हैं। अमेरिका और ईरान में अदम एतमाद बहुत है जो एक रात में कम नहीं हो सकता।
This ceasefire that's in place, I think it's 6 or 7 days old. Right now, the ceasefire is holding, and what you're seeing is what the president wants to make. He doesn't want to make like a small deal. He wants to make the grand bargain, and what he's basically offering to Iran is very simple, and frankly, it's something that no president has, I think, has had the ability to offer. He said that if you're willing to act like a normal country, we are willing to treat you economically like a normal country. But here's where we are on, fundamentally, the president set a policy, Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon, and right now we are negotiating to make sure that very thing happens. And here's, what's interesting about this is, What's interesting about this is that after 49 years, there's a lot of course, mistrust between Iran and the United States of America. You're not going to solve that problem overnight. But yeah, I think the people we're sitting across from wanted to make a deal, and I know the President of the United States told us to go out there and negotiate in good faith. That's what we did. That's what we're going to keep on doing. So